If you want to achieve this classic pompadour look, stay tuned until the end of the video. Hey guys, it's Amar back with another video, and today we are going to go for the Elvis Presley classic pompadour look. Elvis is one of the biggest music icons of all time, and he really had that pompadour going in the 50s and 60s, and we are going to draw some inspiration from that today. So my hair is short on the sides. I do have a undercut, so I'm going to go for a pompadour with a modern twist. If your hair has grown from the sides, just make sure you style that also. In terms of the front, you just want to make sure that you have enough length just to create that classic front. I'll be using the Aveda thickening tonic just because I have fine hair and it gives you that volume and gives you that texture also. So we'll start by using our hands just because we want to really create that volume and make sure that we've got a really strong foundation, strong shape for the hairstyle. So you'll see me picking my hair from the roots just to build as much volume in my hair as I can. After a few minutes, you'll notice that the volume will start to build in your hair, and it's just a case of trying to manipulate it as much as you can until you're happy with the shape. And then we'll start to use a roller brush just to give it more control and more shape. With the front, what we will do is pull up on the hair from the roots. So use your roller brush, you're pushing back down, twisting just slightly to lock it, and then with the hair dryer, not straight onto the hair because you don't want to burn it, but just against it, pulling up and through, and because you've got that heat, it will allow your hair to move. Once you've achieved the desired look, just go ahead and blast your hair with cold air. What that will do, guys, it will help lock your style in place, and that will help you ready for styling. In terms of styling products, I'm going to be using the Dapper Dan pomade. It's high shine, high gloss, and it's smooth. So I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm just going to layer it on my hair. You don't want to put too much product on at the same time, especially if you have fine hair, just because it will weigh it down. I do recommend a pomade for this hairstyle because you want high shine and high gloss. Only use more product if you feel like you need it because a little bit does go a long way. And now it's just a case of manipulating the hair, trying to create the shape that I want. You can use your brush to give your hair volume and to give it some final definition. So I'm literally just combing through my hair and I'm using my hand just to smooth it into place, just to create that definition. You can use your hand to smooth the top as well, just to help create that pompadour shape. It's just a case now where I am just experimenting, just trying to get the perfect shape, to get something that I am satisfied with. So you can see it's an undercut, but you've got that classic pompadour that goes back, that 50s and 60s look. So until you are satisfied, guys, just keep experimenting. And you can finish off with some hairspray. Even though pomade does give you high hold and high shine, you can still use some hairspray just to give you that additional hold. And there we go, guys. That's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Until next time, take care.